It is time to restake your DAG tokens for March. If you're interested in the soft node program number 17, I'm going to go step by step through it and show you how right now. Welcome back to the APY Guy channel, where I try to find you the best sources of passive income through farming and staking of blue chips and low market cap gems that can have huge gains in the next bull market. If any of that sounds good to you, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Drop a like on the video. I'd really appreciate it. Nothing on this channel or in this video is financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research. Okay, I'm going to do this really quick video on how to restake your DAG tokens. Today's March 1st, 2023, so today's the day to do that. Rewards program 17 starts and 16 ends. It says right here you have 1 hour, 21, or 1 day, 21 hours, 28 minutes to do so. So first things first is I'm going to sign into Lattice. So that here. And I'm going to check my 2F verification, 2FA verification. Okay, now that I've added my Google Authenticator to the 2FA and I'm signed into Lattice, now I'm going to connect my Stargazer wallet. And we're going to connect main wallet. Next, connect one wallet, connect. Okay, we're going to go to stake soft node program 17. We're going to go down here to where it says enroll within 1 day, 21 hours, 21 minutes. We're going to go down to stake wallet. We're going to hit stake wallet. It's going to ask us for a signature request. I did refresh this page once or twice to make sure that this was refreshed to do this signature request. And we're going to hit sign. And it says successfully staked. So we are good to go. It shows here, if we click on it, soft node program 17, amount of tokens. And I'm just accumulating this every month and just restaking my rewards. So I'll go over it one more time, step by step. You go ahead and you sign into Lattice. You sign it and then you go to soft node program 17. And then you go down here to stake wallet. And then you connect your wallet and then it'll say successfully staked. That's all there is to it. It'll stake whatever is in that wallet. So you can't do a partial, you can't do part of the wallet. You have to do whatever is in there. So if you want to take profit, you want to send those out of that wallet before you hit stake now or stake wallet, because they will be staked for 1 month. So yeah, long-term play for me. DAG's a, I think, very undervalued project. I guess we could take a quick look at the chart. All right, if we go to trading view, I can look at the chart real quick. This is the daily for DAG Constellation Network. Severely undervalued in my opinion. We're at 5 cents. The low was 3.4 cents, which definitely would have been a great buy, and went up to 7.6 cents at one point. Very undervalued. Every single time every month when I restake, I add a little bit to it. Plus my rewards. I'm not selling any DAG at this time. I just think it's, 5 cents is not a good time to sell. That's a good time to buy, in my opinion. Not financial advice. So, yeah, restaked. I want to get this video out real quick. I try to do this every month for you guys and give you at least a day's notice. You got more than a day, about a day and a half, it looks like. When this video comes out, you're going to have about 1 day and 20 hours to restake your DAG tokens. Again, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. I'm always here to answer questions. And thank you for watching as always, and have a great day.